Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. We're going to be starting this one off a bit differently. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some gear I just got from Grundéns. Shout out to Grundéns and thanks for all the support. If you want to check out their website, it'll be located in the description below, and you can use my code AlexandraS20 for 20% off your purchase up to $500. So enjoy that and take advantage of it. Let's get into this. Let's see what we have. Okay. We have the new women's line. This is the new hat they just came out with. It's pretty sick. It's got the seafoam green backstrap. This is a long sleeve shirt. It's the deckhand in a gray. Then we have another one. This is the green deckhand long sleeve shirt. It's pretty sick. I have the blue one, and it's hinted with orange. Okay, this is the women's Mares hoodie. Alright. So it's got the pink women's Grundéns logo. It's got the higher neckline. It would be decent for early mornings when it's overcast and we're going for a far run. But I'm stoked. This will definitely help me during winter time. We got some shirts in here. We have a women's henna t-shirt. Oh, that's sick. With the We Are Fishing on the bottom. We got another one. This is the women's Grundéns signature t-shirt in the heather charcoal color. Sweet. This is sick. They're super soft, by the way. Oh yeah, here we go. And we got the Stormlight jacket in black. I just ruined my last rain jacket, so this is absolutely clutch, especially for every random rain shower we have down here in South Florida. Oh, this is awesome. Check it out. Oh yeah. This is amazing quality. So it's got the Grundéns in a dark heather colored right here. Besides that, it's really low profile. I got the black. Goes with everything. So, oof. Oh yeah. And the zippers are perfect. They're never going to rust away. I have a ton of old rain jackets that the bottoms just get completely corroded and rusted. And you can't wear them. You just got to slip them over like a hoodie. So this is amazing. Oh yeah. Pockets are ridiculous. You got some chest pockets up here on the sides. So this is super lightweight, perfect for the Florida weather. It's extremely durable and stretchy. I like mine a bit bigger because usually during the winter or something I have so many layers and I need to be able to fit it. Everything is lined so the seams aren't exposed. You even have the armpit ventilation right here. It's pretty sick. Shout out to Grundéns. Thank you guys so much. If you are interested, like I said, use my code. It'll be located below with the web address. Check it out. They have some awesome products in regards to apparel, footwear, you name it. I have some of their bibs. I use them all the time whenever I go fishing, especially during the winter. It keeps that cold wind right off of you.